Welcome back to Rustland. I am excited. I haven't played this game in a while, but let's get right into it. Yeah. Like I said, I haven't, played this game in a while, so... Yeah. Oh, I forgot you have a dog. What the hell did I do last episode? Well... Yeah. Ooh, food. Cool. Why do I have fat on me? Why? Go away. I'm making a video. Yeah. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be making videos on a regular basis. Because of all the shit that's been going on with me and all that. School and all that, well, yeah. Like I said, this game I haven't played in a while. Don't mind the noise in the background. It's just my idiot brother won't leave me the hell alone.
You like screwing donkeys.
Matthew, shut up and leave me alone. Everybody in the comments say Matthew is an idiot. Alright. Well, I'm gonna wait for this food to cook up all the way. And see what's in my chests. That's all I have is charcoal. What? Seriously? Nothing in my oh, I do have stuff in my furnace. I just have to, where's my metal ore? Wait, man. Are you kidding me? Well, wait, I do have one in my inventory. Well, that'll be good for now. I'm going to clear out my inventory for stuff I don't need. Chop down this tree that's next to me. Like, dude, fat. Stone I'm going to keep on me. Coffee I don't need on me right now. Cloth that can stay on me. The torch can go on my hotbar. For now, the pistol can stay off my hotbar. Nope, hatchet. Okay. Chopping wood. How much would that give me? So... Oh, I gotta kill some... Oh god, that is expensive. Oh god. So... got enough for that. Don't have enough for that, but... another... Well then, that is a lot of material for a lot of this stuff. Okay. Carbine. Yeah. So pretty much this episode's gonna be collecting resources and all that. And... because I'm getting used to the settings again because I haven't played in a while. If I seem off and all that, just know that, yeah. Okay, that's do. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go do something. Welcome back, guys. Sorry. Damn freaking siblings won't shut up. Lag. Beat this deer up with a hatchet. It's dead. Yeah, I just murdered your brethren. Come on, die like your brethren. Yay. Collect its meat. Can I drag it? What? What? I don't remember this being there. That being there. But yeah, that was definitely not there before. Alright, getting everything out of... That is weird.
Okay, but Aaron, we're gonna say you have a small head and a small tail.
Yeah. That was just weird. Let me know in the comments if you heard that sound or not, because... Oh god, my torch is almost broken. Damn it. I gotta go clear out my inventory again. God damn it, I need another box. Yeah. Gonna definitely need to build a bigger base. For now I'm putting the metal in there. I don't know what these are for. That can go in there, okay. For now the raw meat can go in there. With the rest of the raw meat. Alrighty, let's go. The main priority right now is wood. Once I get the wood to make enough wood to make another, like to get all the metal I need to make another gun, then we'll be set and we can go to it, and I can make a raft and go to another island. If I have enough rope. The rope is the issue right now because I don't think I have any. Now I gotta get these coconuts. Don't mind the crap in the background. They're being... My siblings are being idiots. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, you stupid piece of lid. If my videos are getting boring, to be honest, I'm basically just free-offing it. I'm not really doing much in this video. It's just collecting resources and trying to get a lot of stuff so I can go to another island, have more powerful weapons and all that. Because the last time I remember when I was first playing this game, I went to another person's island. Almost got my ass whooped because of my stupidity. So how much wood do we have? 110. Okay. That might be enough to like just be able to make a raft probably. Ugh, god damn. Frame rate is dropping a lot. Why? Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, why are you just giving me stone? What? Come on, let's go get all the resources and shit we need right now. Rock, stone, sulfur, stone. Sulfur. Come on! All I need right now is metal. There we go. I gotta build another goddamn pickaxe. Fudge. Two ropes. For fuck's sake. Guess I gotta go get some stuff. Ooh, wait, can I use the axe on it? Yes, I can, and it gives me a lot. Wow. Okay, now I can make a pick. Well, at it, I should make a little base. I could do that. One foundation. How do I make planks? Should I do that? Alright, I can go back and start mining up more metal. This episode's gonna be a little overlong, but who cares? God damn it! Ba-da-da-da-da. Well, if any of you guys like AMVs, like my friend Shishui of the Body Flicker Technique, he makes really good AMVs. Hit him, like, look at his channel. It's like really, it is good. No, not all of my wood. There we go. Put in 17 more. And 10 sulfur. Wait, no. Take the sulfur out of there. Because I got enough ammo for my gun already. Teddy bear. Stone pick is. Damn it. Damn it. No! Stop hitting the box! Really? No! Why? Come on! You stupid well. Why did I even make you in the first place? I don't know, but... fuck you. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright, let's see how much is cooked by the last... Ooh. We have... No, yes. 33 metal. Cool. We are on our way. Fiber. 14 fiber, so we're good on fiber for now. 43. Well, that's melting up, guys. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. I hope I didn't bore you too much, but yeah, I'll be doing some more in between this video and next video. So until then, I'm King CJ Pop 22 saying so long. Go check out Shishui of the Body Flicker, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.